that brings me to a very important question. Now, when we look at cinema, Indian cinema as an entire entity of its own, I know that's doing a lot of injustice to it, but Indian cinema is known as this whole entity from outside, right? Like people only know Bollywood and nothing beyond that. And what we see here in India, from state to state, from district to district, and from region to region, you have different languages, you have different cultures, and somehow art and culture sort of resonates and reflects all of this. So, in your experience, why do you think the limitation is there within India as well, and abroad? And how has your journey sort of changed your views on this?
See, there's a very simple idea on this. We very early on, India adopted a kind of Soviet style model where the state would recognize who was an artistic achievement. They'll say this is a good artist. They'll recognize a sculptor, or a painter, or a musician, or a playwright, or a novelist, or a poet. The state will, or a filmmaker. The state will recognize the artistic achievement, and the market was invalid. Like it was, you have to assume that people who pay money and go and watch a film or pay money and buy a book are not as brilliant as the jury that the state selects. And, so it became a kind of incestuous thing where the people who won awards will then get into the jury. I won the national award once and I got into the jury. And, then I was allowed to select, awardees after that. So it becomes a kind of incestuous, vicious circle of recognition, artistic recognition. Even the critical culture is such, because, India has a very funny culture of even awarding critics. The Swarna Kamal, the highest medal for Indian cinema world, is given to critics also in India. And, if you just do a search of these critics, they largely belong to the left school, or if not left, they'll have a certain mockery of populist stuff, and a bulk of them, you can actually just go through that list. This has happened everywhere. So plays that get invited to Delhi for the national festival that happens there every year, or people who get to make it to the central government thing of, say, even Padma Awards or any other awards, they all come from this thing, which is the reason why people who perhaps had an intellectual bent of mind, who actually would like to do stuff that they passionately believe in, stayed away from the market. They did not want to go reach out to people as much as they wanted to reach out to festivals in the world. So it became such a thing that we have a culture where it is very possible in the last 20, 30, 40 years in India that many films have been made and they have received the national award, but nobody outside this circle has seen them. So it becomes a nation recognizing award, but the nation hasn't seen it. So it's better to say that the state actually recognizes the artist. The nation has failed to notice the artist. That kind of problem has happened. So that is, in sum, the answer to that question.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.